Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today we are going to be decorating my living room for Christmas. And it's already pretty much decorated, but it just needs a little bit more, a little bit extra. Maybe, I don't know, a fireplace? And I just want to thank Costway for making this little Christmas magic happen in our living room. We spend all of our time here, but Costway, I love their site. Actually, our Christmas tree came from there. They have great quality items. They have 24-hour online service and fast delivery within 3 to 5 days. So we're gonna get started on building this TV stand. I cannot wait to see it, and I'm excited to decorate it as well. So anytime I'm going to put furniture together, I obviously need a drink and a snack and some sort of animal to hang out with me. They always seem to be around. All right, right now I am on step 6, and this has only taken me probably like 15 minutes, and I am sitting on the base right now. This is how sturdy it already is. I could, I don't know, lay on it if I wanted to. But that is why I love their products. Their quality is so high end. I've never received anything bad. I have so many items from Costway. As far as our patio furniture, I also gifted my mom patio furniture through Costway, our Christmas trees, and everything that is in my craft room that I organize with is also from Costway. So make sure you check them out. I will link everything in the description box below, but we're gonna just finish this and then we're gonna decorate. So I am super excited for this. I can't wait to see it done. Like, I know I'm only on step 6. But this step is gonna take like 2 seconds. The instructions and everything is so thorough and so great that I never have issues putting anything together. This is honestly like something I really love doing. I think it's relaxing and fun, and I have a Christmas movie on in the background. And that's not the Christmas movie I'm watching, it's a commercial. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna get going and finish the rest of this. Now that I am done laying on the TV stand, we're going to go ahead and keep putting this together. Now, I know a drill is probably not the best thing to use for this. It does say use a screwdriver, but I am very careful with this, so use a screwdriver unless you want to mess up your wood, which I have done in the past. This did it perfect because I was not crazy with the drill. So once I started getting this together, I love when I'm like midway done. It just makes me feel so excited to get a piece together. I did realize later on I put the 2 sides on completely backwards. Didn't even know it until I was putting on the back. So I did have to tear this apart, but even with tearing it apart and redoing it, it was so simple to do. I think my cat Lucas definitely approves of this. Now I'm just adding the hinges to the doors. I'm putting on the knobs, and all it took was one Christmas movie to put this in. Now I was reading directions on how to put the fireplace in, and it did say like make sure it's even and flush, and I don't think it could have went any other way. Thankfully, my husband was there because I was putting it in upside down, which definitely didn't want to do that. Now I'm just putting it where our TV stand normally was. I already knew the size of this. It is 65 inches long, and I knew it would fit perfect on here. Our walls are just a little uneven, so the 2 walls are not the same size, so it never looks like it is centered in the middle. It's just, that's the way it is with every single wall we have. I did love this fireplace. It has really great heat settings. It blows out the warmest heat. So if you are cold during those cold winters, you can sit in front of this for probably 2 minutes. It is awesome. It comes with a remote. It has different settings as far as temperature. It is awesome. I am so excited to be using that little fireplace. Now I'm just going to be decorating. I'm just adding some pillows. My youngest daughter thinks that all these pillows are toys, so they kind of just get misplaced and put everywhere. But I'm just going to be adding all of our Christmas pillows. I have had the same Christmas decorations and ornaments for years on end. This is our like memory tree, I'm going to say, because it just has all of our decorations and our ornaments from years past with fun like handprints, homemade ones, all the things. So this is just like our fun Christmas tree. And then now, of course, I have to stick a tray pretty much on every single table. Trays are a necessity in this house. I think I have 12 or 13 laying around. This was the fun part about the TV stand. I don't know why this was so blurry, but I decided to add a garland to this. I did make sure that I did not cover that fireplace because you cannot cover it or you're probably gonna light your house on fire. fire. I just added some ornaments and some more garland. I added some fun little decorations that we have, and then I'm moving on to this end table. Now, our living room is not big, but it is always so cozy, and that is honestly what I was going for here. So this is the overview. I added some presents. I did some fun wrapping paper this year. Nothing matches, and it is 100% okay to live like this. So not everything has to match and be perfect. So I have the pillows, these little elves my grandma gave me a couple years ago. So those come out every single year, and of course my youngest daughter plays with them. And then some blankets, and this is just kind of what I see when we're sitting on the couch, and I absolutely love it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also know that realistic living rooms do exist in this world, and this is just my little cozy living room that we absolutely love. We love being in it. We love spending time in here playing games, and I cannot wait for Christmas. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have started Christmas shopping. I have already shopped and wrapped, and we are ready to go for Christmas. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love you to stick around and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Costway. I will leave this TV stand in the description box below and just their website so you guys can check out all the amazing items that they have on their site. I highly recommend, and that is it. If you guys, like I said, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!